guys, today is the day, move-in day. So we're moving, we're leaving this place. My family's here right now. They're helping me out to move. And oh my god, look at all the boxes. Wow. Okay guys, so yeah, this is it. We're moving out. We're gonna go carry all the stuff now.
What's up guys, it's your boy Josh. Back at it again with another video. We're here. What's it no more?
Okay, it is so hard to vlog while moving because you're trying to carry stuff and then you're trying to carry camera to vlog too. But update, we've moved some of the boxes already. It's looking a lot clearer. That's my mom. She's here to help. Hey guys, this is a bad idea to vlog because I am really carrying things and then I am carrying the camera to vlog as well. I am so stressed right now, but look, it's empty now. I'm gonna miss this place, but not really. So yeah, we're still packing, we're still moving. It's almost empty, it's almost done. My mom's watching Jessica Soho on her phone. She said she can't live, so she's just gonna be here and look pretty. Concern kay kung mama ni Jessica Soho na. Unsa Jessica Soho ma?
Kuan.
Unsa ma sige da ma? Nasa Tagalog. Tagalog ba?
Ayaw. Tama na.
Ano nangyari ni Jessica Soho? May isang tanong na talaga ko sa iyo ma. Ha? Isang tanong na talaga ma. Asa ba na oy? May isang tanong talaga ko sa iyo ma ha. Asa ba na oy? Paano na daw na? Palihog daw.
Okay na.
Isang tanong lang talaga ma ha. Ano pong ginagawa mo dito, ma? Ano ginagawa mo dito, ma?
Support! Moral support!
Wala kang hinahakot.
Hindi, okay lang. Ako lang yung mag-set up sa bagong...
Anong Tagalog ng hinahakot?
Hakot. Naghahakot.
Naghahakot. Wala kang hinahakot.
Hindi. Kasi
Hahakot.
moral support.
Moral
Dito
support
ako for
pala. Moral
Yeah,
support.
moral
So these are all the magnets that I collect every time I travel to a new place. So every time I travel, I always buy a magnet as souvenirs and I put them on my fridge. So sabi ni mama, si papa daw bili ng bagong TV. Tapos malaki na daw ang TV sa sala namin sa Guelph. Ano na sabi mo ma? Ang ingay naman. Ang sabi mo ma? Malaki na para ng ano?
Parang chat.
Parang ano?
Parang sinihan.
Ingnan.
Oh, parang sinihan.
Ito English.
A theater.
Ha?
Parang ng theater.
Parang cheddar. Cheddar.
Theater. Wrong pronunciation.
Kumusta naman yung cheddar? Parang cheddar.
Theater.
Cheddar ma.
Theater.
Theater. Unsa mo? Simod mo. Paano yung lips?
Theater.
Theater. So parang ng theater kasi si Papa pili ng bagong ng bagong TV. Guys, we're here at a new place.
Finally, we're done.
Gutom na.
Lahat ay nagugutom na. Tagalog talaga ma. Nagugutom na ang lahat kaya kain muna kami ng dinner.
Hindi siya marunong
Hindi ako marunong mag-Tagalog.
Oh, guys, akong tiyan ni Benzo.
Ma?
Diyan na.
Everything, it's all boxes. It's all boxes. So guys, ngayon, kakain muna kami ng dinner kasi wala pa kaming kain. Tagalog ba? Tagalog?
Tagalog mong ka.
Tagalog. Wala pa kaming kain.
Goto!
Since breakfast.
Since umaga.
Basta doon punta tayo sa Filipino restaurant kasi gutom na eh.
Anong orderin mo, mama?
Yes guys, we're gonna eat Filipino restaurant right now where everyone's so hungry. We've been moving since the morning. Pinakbet. Pancet.
O lechon kawale. We're gonna
Oh my
get some
god, I
barbecue.
want lechon kawale.
Chicken barbecue.
Guys, ang hirap ng araw na to, guys.
Palabas mo, Yani.
Ang hirap ng araw na to.
Saan si Fabio?
Nasaan ba si Fabio? Ba't hindi tumatabang?
Hindi tumutulong.
So if you're curious where we're going to grab food, Filipino food, stay tuned because our plan is to make a video of all the Filipino restaurants here in Toronto. We're gonna do like each video, each Filipino restaurant, so we're gonna feature them. But right now, we are going to eat, and I'm so grateful for my family for helping me. Honestly, I'm so grateful. We're thinking what to order at the restaurant now. Anong orderin nyo?
Crispy pata.
Calamari, bam-i,
Sugbang pork. Liempo.
sugbang
What is
baboy.
liempo?
Lempo.
Sugbang baboy.
Liempo is belly.
Inihaw na baboy.
Ay, inihaw na baboy. Puro na talagang Tagalog ko. Hindi tayo marunong mag-Tagalog. Okay guys, so we're on our way to the restaurant because this is my payment for helping me to move. Tinulungan kasi nila ako. Oh, Tagalog man, di ko kabulong mag-Tagalog. They helped me to move, so now this is kinda like my payment. I'm gonna buy them water. Ice water.
No.
Ice water, ma. Bibilan kita ng ice water, ma. Sagot ko ice water, ma.
Lahat ng
Halo-halo ako, best.
dapat
Halo-halo.
orderin doon lahat.
Lahat daw.
Orderin.
So yeah, we're on our way, guys. We'll share our food. It's a very good Filipino actually. It's very home cooked meal.
It's not a sponsor.
It's not sponsored, but we're planning to do in the summer. We're planning to walk around the city and explore all Filipino restaurants, and we're gonna vlog them. So that's our plan. Guys, we're here at the restaurant. We talked too much in the car, so we didn't vlog, but here. Okay, let's go eat! Guys, we're here. It's a very good Filipino restaurant. Okay guys, so we're finally here and we're gonna order, and this is always the hardest thing when you order because we always fight. Okay, what does everybody want? What do you want?
Pagita pancit.
Pancit. My dad loves pancit.
Oo, sampagita ba?
My dad is obsessed with pancit.
Pero ito lagi ang grilled pork chop, $5.
I just want lechon kawali and calamari.
Bili lang.
So this restaurant,
Biya pong bili.
Sampagita fried rice.
Crispy pata uso.
so this restaurant is called Sampagita Restaurant. It's a Filipino restaurant. It used to be owned by a Filipino person, but now somebody bought it from them.
Yeah. Sampagita pancit. Crispy shrimp.
Calamari. Shrimp, both. You want both. And then sampagita fried rice.
Okay, after 1 hour, we're done ordering. We're gonna wait for the food now. So now my dad is complaining because there was a lot of work and his body is hurting.
Selling.
Don't worry pa, kay ipapakain kita.
Pagkain sa pating? Ano yun? Ipapakain sa pating?
Patyo naman ta sa tungan
I don't know, respect Tagalog. I don't know, respect Tagalog. Ipapakain kita pa.
Sa pating?
Papakainin. Papakainin kita.
Oh my God.
Ipapakaw.
May gulay.
Guys, one of the chefs is a viewer, so he gave us free drinks. Thank you, whoever you are. I'm gonna go say hi. Bye!
Bye, Kuya.
Salamat sa help!
Thank you sa food. Thank you sa treat.
Bye.
Thank you sa treat. Ugma.
Okay.
Ugma, see you
Oh,
tomorrow.
bye.
Love you guys. Love you guys. Thank you guys.
Bayad
Laki siya, bubalin sa tubangan.
Loy, bayad, Loy, ha?